Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tayy.lopez. I'm 25 years old from San Diego, California. This is my 2024 MT07. As you guys can tell, if you've seen in other videos, I recently just got this 12 bar installed, and I also did install this handbrake, the P34 foot brake, 4-piston handbrake caliper. I'm super hyped on it. This is my first time at the lot testing it out, so I thought I'd bring the GoPro, throw it on my helmet. We're about to ride. I'm gonna just get comfy with the foot brake at first, and then the goal today is to try to scrape and to try to do a seat stander. That's using the handbrake, and then that's using the foot brake with the 12 bar. But let's just get on it, let's ride, let's have fun, and well, the rest will flow. Let's go, Jack. Yep, there you go. Nice, yep. Perfect. Nice. Okay, yeah. He's been working on the knee knock, is nice. Let the Border Patrol pass always. Got my dog, Joey 55 outside. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Beautiful warm up, man. Gets out and just does that shit for real. Nice. So smooth, dude. His style's one of a kind. Woo-hoo-hoo, with the bump, yeah. One of a kind style, just like I said. Yeah. Different. Totally different. I'm gonna have to get used to that. Oh, fuck. That's scary. I gotta let it come up, though. But the Yamaha, the snap of the throttle, very similar. Bro, yeah, for sure. I feel that similarity in it. Yeah. The throttle is like snappy. Let's go, Joey. Nice. Let's go, my boy Beckham. Got a new Suron. Ooh, with the fresh Senders only gloves. Let's go. Yes, sir. Jeez. That's another killer right here, man. These young kids on the Suron, dude, they're making me want more and more and more. Eventually, that's the goal. I want to get one of all of them. Electric, mini, big bike. All of them are cool in their own ways. Nice. All right, let's try this handbrake again. Let's see what we can do. Alright guys, kind of getting a little bit more comfy to it. it again. Dude, hard. Stupid hard. This guy, I competed with him and he took his front wheel off at the competition and freaking still got down. That's right. Ah! Hey! Touch, fingers touch. Drop back, yes! No, let's go! This is the one of the homies, he went from a Star to the Sumo. Chillin'. Let's go! You're good. Alright guys, we're getting a little progression. Let's see. I can get it up a little bit, but it's hard. I'm trying it in first too because I don't want to go too fast, you know? It's like when you're learning, I feel like first gear is good for most things because you can only go so quick. Oh, bro, yeah, I can stand up more straight too. Yeah. I'm leaning over a little bit.
Even being on a big bike, you don't have to be so hunched over.
Yeah. No, if I stand more straight, I feel like it might come up too. Let it come up to. I see, bro. Thank you. Let's go! Kind of like the Grom, dude. It's so fun. It feels so sick, honestly. This is my first day with it. And I'm hyped. I'm only gonna get better, but it does feel different than the Grom too, I'm not gonna lie, because it's got a little bit more pepper. I ain't gonna lie, she got a little bit more salt and pepper, goddammit.